Hey guys, welcome back to Ranch Life. I just wanted to bring y'all outside and show y'all how beautiful and peaceful it is in the morning here. This is our horse, Princess Diana. We call her PD, and that is her colt, Johnny Johnny. I just wanted to come show y'all how sweet she is. We don't really ride her much anymore. She is in need of a bath. I'll probably be doing that soon, so I'll share a video of that. If y'all would like to see it, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on cleaning.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
I'm just starting out in my kitchen like I always do. Had some dishes left over from last night. Not proud of that, but I'm getting it done early this morning.
Looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
I'm just using my Peony Scent Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner for my countertops like I usually do because it smells so good.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side.
And here I'm just cleaning my soap station. I'm using my Grove Collaborative Bubble Up brush, and I really like it. It's really cute. It's the spring edition, and that tray is also from Grove Collaborative.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
So right here, I just decided to move my sign that I made over more towards the middle of the table because it was driving me crazy being off center like that. I got it the best I could without measuring. I am not one to measure, I just go with it. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right here, and then I'm just gonna take the rest of the stuff down because I just wasn't feeling it.
Gone back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself.
So the kids have found a way to buck the system. They are not allowed to eat or drink in their room because they have carpet in there, so they will turn their TVs and sit at their door and eat there in the hallway or munch out on snacks and drink. Well, not drink, but like, you know what I'm saying, drink water.
You would stick around. I guess time starts still. A king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight. I run away. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to take a quick break from cleaning and hop on here and talk to y'all about a coffee table that I'm going to be working on this weekend. It's going to go right here in my living room. It's very rustic. I think it's going to go with the house really well. I don't think it'll be finished this weekend. Today I'm going to start sanding it. We do have plans this weekend. We're going to Comic-Con for my husband's birthday. We never done that before, so we're excited to do that. My in-laws are coming into town, so there's a lot going on this weekend, so I don't know how much I'll get done, but we're going to try to get it done as soon as possible because I'm so ready to see it in my living room, and I'm going to take y'all outside real quick and show y'all what it looks like.
I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away.
So in my living room, I'm just using my Method Wood for Good Daily Clean, and it smells like almond, and it's really good. It makes the wood shine really nice, and it smells really good.
remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind.
So here I am in my bedroom. I just had a little bit of laundry to put away. I'm going to change the sheets and vacuum, and then I'm going to go to my bathroom and just wipe down the counters real quick. This isn't really a deep clean. I'm just cleaning up like I usually do. And then I'm going to head outside and show y'all where I'm going to sand the table. I know y'all are probably like, whoa, when you saw it, but really, I promise you it's going to be pretty once I get it all done. I hope y'all stick around for that. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out.